Okay friends, to enable keyboard sound while typing in your laptop or computer, you have to download one software. Okay, just open Google Chrome and connect the internet and click on search bar. Then after you have to type make Wifi setup 2.3.0. okay, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, just click here, just search this, then after click the download option, and here you can find out this one, make Wifi setup 2.3.4.x. let's download it. After download it, just open the download file, then after just right click and run as administrator. Give the access as. Choose anyone who uses this computer and click next and install. Now click finish. Now you can choose anyone here. Okay, Cherry MX Black, Cherry MX Black. I'm going to choose here this Cherry MX Black PBT keycaps. Okay, now check. Let's try on Notepad. Let's close it. Notepad. Enter. SP. Hello. How are you? Yes friend, we are success here. Okay, to enable the keyboard sound from the software. Okay, yes friend, we have enabled the sound of typing keyboard in our laptop. Okay, just like this. Now we have to enable our mouse click sound, left click and right click. Okay, how can we do that? Just follow me. Let's go to the Google Chrome. Then after go to the search bar. Then after you have to download auto hotkey download. Okay, just search it, then click the auto hotkey, click first, then after click the download and download version 2.0. After download it, you have to download one file here. I have given link on description also. Just copy and paste on the Google Chrome and hit enter. And after, just download it. Is loud to speaker. After download it, After that, just right click and extract file, this loud to speaker, and press OK. Then after, just copy this, okay, loudest two speakers, this file, and copy, then go to the C drive and just paste here. Then after, you have to install auto hotkey, okay? Go to download and just right click and run as administrator. Click as, click install. It has been installed, okay? Then after, just go to this loudspeaker, and just open this folder and click on the script. Then after, just click on edit script and just notepad and OK. In this option, follow the properly, okay? This is for the right click, okay, R button. This is for the left button, okay? What we have to do is, this is for the R button, just click here R button, okay? Then after, you can find our here drop down list, just click here and right click, just select and copy. This is for the right button, okay? Just you have to do is just select C to here and right click and paste it. Then after, for the left button, just click the left, L mouse click. Then after, choose the drop down menu, just click here, copy, select all and copy. Then after, from C to here, select and paste. After that, go file and save. Then close it. Then after, close this also. Then after, right click and run the script. Then click as. Then click again as. Now check. Installing, okay? This is installing. It is installing, okay? Now you can find our message here, auto hotkey version 1.37.02 now has been installed. Click OK. After that, just right click and run as administrator, click S, then after S. Now you are able to listen, right click, left click sound, click, click. Okay friends, I think this trick helps you to create very effective tutorial. If this tutorial really helped you, then let me know in the comment box. If you faced any problem, then let me know in the comment box. I will guide you. Okay friend, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.